Sanibona, ngaphambi singene kwivideo namuhla, ngithi angithathe lethuba ngibonge isupport nothando nesikhombise lona lingaphezu kokucabanga kwethu. Siyacela niqhubeke nisupporte njalo ngokubuka amavideo ethu, ungakhohlwa ukukhomenta, ushare, ulike. Siyafisa ukuzwa umbono wakho. Sicela ke singene kwivideo namuhla.
We're going to put people in Ekurhuleni first and South Africans first. Finish and clear. I'll start by saying this is my home. So South Africa is my home. Ekurhuleni is my home. And the love I have for this place is very big. And I've experienced the ups and downs, the pain of growing up in this place. I understand very well what Ekurhuleni needs because I'm from here and I know how things should be here and how things were before. So the love and the passion that I have, it's a guideline for me to give me the will of doing the work that I want to do. Number two, we've been suppressed and oppressed for a long time by law enforcement that is very corrupt. When we work, they would open cases against us, turning criminals into victims. But us, as people that are fighting crime, we are then turned into criminals.
Ngoba sazi sonke ukuthi ngonyaka ozayo kuyavotwa, sivotela ama-local government elections. Ama-political parties ngokwehlukahlukana kwawo a-introduce abantu abazobamela. Siyazi ukuthi i-DA ngapha kwi-City of Johannesburg bakhipha uGogo Zille ukuthi yena ozomela i-DA uzoba i-candidate for ukuba i-mayor eJohannesburg. Ileyo naleyo political party iveza i-candidate yayo ezoyimela kulama local government elections azayo. Bazokhipha abantu abazoba ngamakhansela, laba bazoba zimeya, angazi uma ngizothi zimeya noma amameya kodwa nje kulapho. So Action SA izolo uintroduce uXolani Khumalo lo esimazela kusizokuthola as i-candidate yabo, as umuntu ozobamela ngapha endaweni yaseKurhuleni ofuneka abafisa ukuthi abe imeya. Ngeviki eliphelile mangikhuluma ngathi kukhona abantu abaseva umphakathi esiphila kuwo futhi abawusebenzelayo umphakathi esiphila kuyo. Kodwa ngenxa ukuthi mhlawumbe abekho kwi-political party ethize, sigcina singabavoteli ngaleso sizathu. Kodwa sekufuneka sivotele umuntu ngoba sazi track record yakhe, ngoba sazi imisebenzi yakhe, bese siyamvotela. Uyabona nje ngaphambi kokuba ngikucaphunela ama-video, i-Action SA ichaza kungani ikhetha uXolani Khumalo. Kodwa ngiyafisa ukubeka ukuthi simbonile uXolani Khumalo kwi-show isizokuthola. Aphinde sambona ehamba no-Dr. Gcini Mtshwako benilwa nama-drugs nokuhijackwa kwama-building ngapha eJohannesburg. So njengoba i-Action SA ithathele ligxathu, ngiyayincoma mina ngoba ithathe vele umuntu ozinikele ekusebenzeleni umphakathi, ozinikele ekuseveni abantu base-South Africa. Yabona nje lokhu ngingakusho ngingananazi ukuthi ngizoyivotela i-candidate yabo yemeya ngoba umuntu engikholelwa kuye, ngoba simubonile. Nayo-ke into efunekalayo, into engihlezi ngisho mina, abantu abasebenzela umphakathi siyabazi, abantu abaseva umphakathi siyabazi. Kukithi ukuthi sithanda ukudila nama-politicians angasenzeli lutho, noma sizokhetha abantu esibabonile besebenza, esibabonile bekhombisa ukukhathalela umphakathi. Ngicela ukucaphunela ama-video uzwe ukuthi yena uXolani Khumalo utheni, uHelman Mashaba utheni before ngaphambi a-introduce yena. Ilokho nje ngifisa sikhulume ngakho. Ngicela ukuze uphala kwakho la ku-comment section, ngizwe ukuthi wena ubona kanjani. Kodwa leli gxathu elithathwe i-Action SA fanele ngabe lathathwa i-EFF ngoba benobudlelwano obuhle uXolani Khumalo no-Dr. Gcini Mtshwako, benobudlelwano obuhle, besebenzisana kahle.
For far too long, our cities and towns and villages have been ruled by thieves, liars, and failed career politicians. They steal, and they steal without shame. They're still without consequences. They're still to live in luxury while you live in despair. But I say to you today, we are not powerless. We are the silent majority, the unseen, the ignored. Those who may have decided no longer to even bother to vote. For far too long, we have been silent while radicals, racists, and thieves pretended to speak for us. No more. Our voices are rising. Our power is awakening. And when good people of this country work together, there is nothing more powerful on earth. We know our weapon. Our weapon is our vote. The same weapon for the rich and the same weapon for the poor. The same weapon for black, colored, white, and Indian. The same weapon for you and the same weapon for me. And we must use it unapologetically to do one thing: remove the corrupt and replace them with leaders who will serve the people of our country, South Africa. That is why we begin this campaign here in Ekurhuleni in Tembisa, because Ekurhuleni has been betrayed. Betrayed by politicians who stuffed their pockets with service delivery when service delivery collapsed, while crime and lawlessness go unchallenged. We have much work to do to fix the city of Ekurhuleni, so that when you open the tap, there must be clean water. When you put your rubbish out, it must be collected. When you walk at night, the street lights must work. When you drive, the roads must not be filled with potholes. When you go to a clinic, you must get quality care. When your children go to school, or play in your neighborhood, they are protected from drug syndicates and criminals. That is the basics of service delivery. That is the job of government. There is an old saying: it does not matter whether the cat is black or white, as long as it catches the mice. That is why the only ism Action SA cares about is service deliverism. And please, don't let anyone tell you it cannot be done, or that there's no use in using your weapon, which is your vote. We have shown what Action SA does when it gets to work fixing our country. During my 3 years as executive mayor of the city of Johannesburg, the city was on a clear path to recovery. Yet, deliberate sabotage by dark forces brought down the multi-party government I was leading. Let me tell you something. In just 12 months, as Dr. Nansipho Moyo indicated, under her leadership, we have begun turning around our capital city, the city of Tshwane.
Njengoba simzulu Uncle Herman ekhuluma kuningi kakhulu abasazokusho, kodwa inhloso yami ukulanda uXolani sizwe ukuthi yena uthini. Simbonile futhi naye esebenza. Komunye umuntu uzothi ngikhampeynela iAction SA noma ungasho njalo, futhi nami ngingakuvumela uma ungasusho njalo. Einsukwini ezedlule ngike ngenza ivideo lapho bengiveza khona uDr. Gcini Mtshwako ebamba ama-drugs. Lawa angisakhumbula ukuthi bawawetha amalini. Kuma comment section khona bebethi akusiza ngani ukuthi babanjwe labantu ngoba abezukuboshwa bazophuma. wona lama drugs azophinda abuyele kubo labantu ehanjiswa yiwo amaphoyisa. Yingakho ke nginethemba uma i-Action SA letha umuntu onjengoXolani, ngoba abantu laba abangafuni, abangayithathi bribe. Uyabona lamadoda ahleza wabamba kusizokuthola. Lawa madoda anayo imali abengayithathi bribe kalula, kodwa ngenxa yokuthi ubezinikele kulento yokuthanda iSouth Africa, ubezinikele lento yokubeka iSouth Africa phambili, ngoba ekhathalela ukuthi izwe lethu leli abantu abadla ama-drugs bayimindeni yethu, bangabafowethu, bazingane zethu, bayonke into kithi. Uma ke sizokhetha abantu, sikhetha abantu abangeza ukukhathalela izwe lethu, sizoba nenkinga njalo. Futhi isifiso sami ukuthi sengathi indawo yaseGruleni ingawinwa i-Action SA. Abe ne-majority noma ngaba no-54% or 55% Action SA eGruleni. Ngoba lento yama-coalition ibuye ihluphe ngoba babuye bakumanipulate ngayo. Buye futhi mangabe labo bambisene nabo bengezwane nawe bayakwazi ukukuvukela, bayakwazi bona ukukuvukela. Kugcine bese ngathi ezinye izinto azenzeki kanti ucindezelwa abantu osukubambisene nabo. Ucindezelwa abantu osukubambisene nabo. Angicaphuna uXolani, emveni walapho bese siyayivala le video. Kodwa nje igxathe elithathwe i-Action SA ngiyalincoma. Sidinga abantu abazobeka iSouth Africa phambili. Umzwile kwivideo yokuqala esho ukuthi kunamaphoyisa a-corrupt, ayibethi bona besebenza belwa nobugebengu, lawo maphoyisa avulele bona ama-case. Kugcina labantu laba awuyibona babulala izwe lethu bebengathi bangama-victims. Konke lokho bakwenza ngosizo lamapholisa a-corrupt. Uthe uDr Aaron Motsoaledi makuphuma i-report ye-SIU mayelana no-2 billion oluthwe lapha ya eThembisa Hospital, wathi bekungeke kwenzeke uma ama-officials engesiyingxenye yalokho. Yingakho masikhetha abantu efuneka ba-represente thina, ngoba phela ukuvota suke sivotela abantu afuna ba-represente thina. Ngifisa kubantu abahlala eGruleni, noma ngathiwa bese seniphelelwe ithemba, noma ngathiwa besuthatha isinqumo sokuthi awusavoti, asike sisukume. Angithi vele ubungasavoti, sukuma kuyovotela i-Action SA. Sukuma uyovotela ukuthi ngifuna ukubeka lo muntu, ngoba ukungavoti kwakho, leli voti lakho ozoshodisa ngalo yilona leli laba yabazowina ngalo. Kanti kuba ufake lona ubezoba sethubeni lomuntu ukuthi alungise indawo yangakini. Nawe uyamazi umuntu nasendaweni yangakini la uhlala khona. Simbonile uDr Nasiphi Moyo esebenza eTshwane. Esikhathini njani kwesona wenzile umehluko. Wenzile umehluko. Angicaphuna uXolani sizweni uthini.
Sanibonani. Ninjani? My way of speaking ayifani neyabanye. Ngifuna ukuzazisa kuqala. Yeah, I think this one is better. Before I start, I want to greet everyone. Sanibonani futhi. Abangazi igama lami uXolani uKhumalo uNtungwa uMvulazi uNjengikazi basimnumzana Ngizoqeda bese ningibhali. Ngithanda ukubingelela umphakathi wonke waseKuruleni. But there's something that I've always wanted to do. Bengicela ifamily yami isukume niyibone. Ngiyahlala phansi. Leadership of Action SA, provincially, nationally, the Senate is Peter Song. That's my family. I have an army. I have a serious army of family. So namhlanje sizokhuluma into ebalekile engamela umphakathi waseKuruleni. Residents of Ekurhuleni, this morning I'm truly privileged to stand before you today. Not only I'm proud to be here with you, surrounded by patriots who love this country, but I'm also honored to take up this fight on behalf of Action SA. Especially la Ekurhuleni. Abanye benu, many of you know me from Mrs. October, where my crew and I, Sunday were fighting the drug syndicate. But today, as we are known to be people that are fighting the drug syndicate that are destroying our communities. But today, we want to fight a different fight. Sihlale sihambe emigwaqweni in the streets, fighting the crime. Singalali ebusuku, but staring criminals in the eye. I've chased drug dealers through the night. I took on this fight to protect South Africa's most vulnerable. But because I cannot stand by while criminal syndicates do as they please in this country. And because of this fight, I have become the target now myself. The same drug cartels that exploit our broken justice system. But I would do this again and again, as long as it means to protect our community. But this is the same fight. This is the same fight that brings me here at Tembisa today, where I grew up, where I went to school, where I played in these streets. But I come back today for a different fight. This time, it is to end the rot that has crippled South Africa's industrial heartland, which is Ekurhuleni. I want to know very well that Ekurhuleni is the industrial heart of Gauteng. But the rot and corruption has crippled us. So sizolwa. As dangerous as drug dealers and gangsters are, the greatest criminals are not hiding in shadows.
Angiyacela ukuza ukuphawula kwakho njengoba usumzwile uXolani beka la. Mhlambe ngisazoyicapha nenye video yakhe. Kodwa ngenxa yokuthi angifuni ukuba ne video ende, mhlambe ngizokwenza enye video angazi. Kodwa ngicabanga ukuthi njengoba bebem introducer ba introduce umuntu right. Yebo, akasahlali khona eKuruleni, akasahlali khona eThembisa. Kodwa umuntu oyazi kahle le ndawo yaseThembisa. Sijwayele ukuvotela thina abantu abangahlali nathi emphakathini. Sijwayele thina ukuvotela abantu esibagcina ngosuku abavotelwe ngalo bawina. Ngalolo usuku esibagcina ngalo. Yithuba labantu baseKuruleni ukuthi bakhombise ukuthi yini into abayikhathalele. Akusizi ukuba loyal kwe-political party kodwa uyibona ukuthi ayikwenzeli lutho. Uyibona nje ayikwenzeli lutho. Ukhulumile u-Uncle Herman siyakhumbula eyimeya wakwaba khona umehluko eJohannesburg. Mawungacompare yena noTata Marero ungawubona umehluko. Noma labantu abake bangena emva kwakhe ungawubona umehluko. So kulele kubantu ke ukuthi bazibona kanjani bona. Kodwa nje ngingencoma ixathe lenziwe i-Action SA ukuthi balanda umuntu abaziyo ukuthi vele ukhathalele umphakathi. Ilento le efunekayo. Ilento efunekayo. Ukuthi kulandwa abantu abawukhathalela umphakathi. Kulandwa abantu esinethemba lokuthi uma belapha ekhundleni abezi ukuzicebisa bona. Kodwa ngoba vele bayahola labantu. Bayahola labantu uma beseyikhundleni. So isalary yabo nje i-right, akusi salary ungakhala ngayo, i-right plus nama benefits. Imagine ke makuzongena umuntu ozothola isalary yakhe nama benefits bese serve umphakathi. Ilonto lesifisa uthini. Hayi labo kungena bona bacebe bona bavikeleke bona nemindeni yabo sisale thina se-vulnerable. Ngicela ukuma la. Ngicela ukuma.
We're going to put people in Ekurhuleni first and South Africans first. Finish and clear. I'll start by saying this is my home. So South Africa is my home. Ekurhuleni is my home. And the love I have for this place is very big. And I've experienced the ups and downs, the pain of growing up in this place. I understand very well what Ekurhuleni needs because I'm from here and I know how things should be here and how things were before. So the love and the passion that I have, it's a guideline for me to give me the will of doing the work that I want to do. Number two, we've been suppressed and oppressed for a long time by law enforcement that is very corrupt. When we work, they would open cases against us, turning criminals into victims. But us, as people that are fighting crime, we are then turned into criminals. So that shows you the amount of corruption that is there. So we are here to fix that. We want to finish this thing of people thinking that getting into government or pretending like you are serving the people, it's a get-quick-rich scheme. That is why I want to take this learning curve into getting into the office of mayorship in Ekurhuleni.
Uyena uXolani lo yingakho ngithi angifisi ukuba nevideo ezoba yinde kakhulu. Ngizokwenza ivideo yesibili khona la khulume khona ukuthi uma engase ukuzalwe nje necrime ngoba isihlava esikhulu esihlasela. Uma ngase kuliwe necrime nama drugs iziningi izinto ezingalamleka. Bayazi abantu abanezihlobo zabo ezikuma drugs. Bayazi abanezihlobo zabo ezingasahlala emakhaya lale emgwaqweni ngenxa yama drugs. Bayazi abantu abanezihlobo zabo othi mayiphumile akhathazeke ngoba akazi ukuthi yini ezofika isingasekho ngoba phela umuntu odla ama drugs uqala ukweba ekhaya. Bayalazi lelo sizi. Kodwa ngenxa ukuthi nje ufuna le drug. Bayazi abantu abanezihlobo zabo angazi mayengabona umphakathi omningi mangathiwa khona umuntu oshawayo uyacabanga ukuthi onkosi yami ngaba kuyona ingane yami noma isihlobo sami noma ubani wasekhaya ngoba ukhethe lempilo yama drugs. So ukuze kuliwe nalesihlava funa ukuthi qala kunqandwa labo ukuthi abangena ama drugs bekuliwa nalabo abawaproduceayo. Bephuma nalabo abawaproduceayo emgwaqweni. ukuze isizwe sethu sophepha. Kulele kithi kuyindawo zonke asimbheke umuntu obekwa phambi kwethu. Sike sibeke political party eceleni, kodwa simbuke umuntu obekwa phambi kwethu. Sibone ukuthi lo muntu angakwazi ukusimela na njengomphakathi. Ngoba ekugcineni kosuku labantu laba funeka bamele thina njengomphakathi. Funeka bamele thina njengomphakathi. Ingakho ngithi kunabantu abasebenzela umphakathi. Uyabazi into abasenzela umphakathi wangakini. Votela labo bantu. Mina nawe Sidibane kwivideo elandelayo, ngiyabonga.